Kwenda kulamusa abasoga bonna bonna abalituwuliriza abalitubona babayise bantu abalamwisa ino olwaleero lwe lunaku lukulu ate lwa byafaayo. Ndikwenda mu ngeri y'endawulo okwebaza ekitongole kya baba ekya Busoga Education Initiative ng'ekulemberwa mukyala Ambassador Agnes Kalabala bakoze omulimu munene ino okutumbula ebyendegeresa mu Busoga.
My name is Liang Li. I'm a director of a factory in Uganda. I'm a member of this Chinese association in Uganda. Today we come here to Busoga, this education association, because we realize that the Chinese company, we are not only invest the business, we are also giving back to the society. I have my own factory here. So for the last few years, I also always do the CSR and support some NGO. I produce the sanitary pads and I support these NGOs. They bring my pads to the schools and countryside villages to help those women and the school girls.
Busoga Education Initiative. Twatandika ekitongole kino mu 2017 nga tulikuba n'abaana ba Busoga basoma bubi. Twatandika ni baba twamufuula patron. Baba waife Kyabazinga. Twata ku board, twata ku nima makadaga nga advisor, twatandika ekibiina. Amasomero gatandika okuvaayo bulungi. Aye twagira okubona mu 2024 kayi nga tuyizeeyo tugwirire idala kayi. Mu Uganda yona districts omukaaga eddaasi ng'okulobulidde aba Busoga. Twakanti katuyire mu twefuneko tubone bwe tunakola. So twaye
Education Initiative for your interest in the performance of our schools, the performance of our children in this region of Busoga. Many of our children, about 70% of the children in Busoga, go to school but do not have a meal at school.
Yo banange mwebale emirimu z'okuva obutonga dada nkobera tyobwa Kyabazinga bwaife bwanono nakula n'empisa ky'obwobonana musa avumbu weise bantu gabula owokuna kobono waife Kyabazinga omulala ono ziryamirye atalya nkoko buli lwasituka abayo yante kina mungu omusoga ng'oli gali mwena mungu omusoga ng'oli gali Moga mungu omusoga ng'oli gali banange leero lwaisanu leero lwakina ze leero kangunwe leero katubirye kubanga baba asiima banange baba tweta
Our people to keep the girl child in school. Other than this partnership that you are coming with, I am informed that you are in manufacturing, you are in engineering, where we think that we can also have you as partners in future to put up incubation centers. So once again, I'm happy and I welcome you to the kingdom and I thank you for choosing us as your partners.
Education Initiative for your interest in the performance of our schools, the performance of our children in this region of Busoga. In Busoga region, we have 15 local governments. Those are 11 districts, 1 city, and 3 municipal councils. We have 1,443 primary schools in the region. And these schools are all public schools and they are in the program of universal primary education. We want to thank Busoga Education Initiative for the memorandum they signed with the Ministry of Education and Sports to improve the standards of education in the region. This came as a concern and a result of the poor performance of our schools countrywide. One year it came that in the performance at primary leaving examinations, among the worst 10 districts in the country, 6 of them were from Busoga region. This caused the formation of the Busoga Education Initiative because of the concern of the poor performance, and yet Busoga used to be among the best in the country in terms of performance.
For feeding program for the children, we are here at the headquarters of Kyabazinga, Busoga. I want to be brief because already the education manager has mentioned many problems of education in Busoga, but one of the most difficult things that we have found when we are dealing with the problems of education in Busoga was mainly on the feeding program. Many children go to school without food, and therefore when they reach there because they are hungry, they don't concentrate. So as Busoga Education Initiative, when we did a needs assessment in 2017, we found that that was one of the biggest problems, and we decided to bank on that one, and we go around schools every year together with the Viva College, and we talk to the parents, we talk to the students, we talk to the headmasters, we talk to the teachers, counseling them to understand the importance of education, but at the same time to put together a program that would push their children to go to school, things like the feeding program. We mainly deal with public schools, government-funded schools.
Thank you.
Muli mutyeyo banange mwebale emirimu z'okuva obuto nga dada nkobera tyobwa Kyabazinga bwaife bwanono nakula n'empisa ky'obwobonana musa avumbuwe ise bantu gabula owokuna kobono waife Kyabazinga omulala ono ziryamirye atalya nkoko buli lwasituka abayoya nte kina mungu omusoga ng'oli gali mwena mungu omusoga ng'oli gali.
My name is Liang Li. I'm a director of a factory in Uganda. I'm a member of this Chinese association in Uganda. Today we come here to Busoga, this education association, because we realize that the Chinese company, we are not only invest the business, we are also giving back to the society. I have my own factory here. So for the last few years, I also always do the CSR and support some NGO. I produce the sanitary pads, and I support these NGOs. They bring my pads to the schools and countryside villages to help those women and the school girls in need. And this time we come here almost 10 Chinese factories, and we have the same idea, is that we have to work together and provide Chinese students in Uganda and help those families actually in need. To have this opportunity to sign this MOU with Busoga Education Association. In this MOU, we are trying to, at initial beginning, we are trying to help 20 schools and provide the food and the sanitary pads for them. And we realized that these school students, the most urgent for them is that to get the breakfast and lunch to keep them have the energy to learn at the class. And for the sanitary pads, we realized that when the school goes period come, they may fear to attend school, and 1 week or 2 weeks after that drop the school. So this sanitary pad can provide a small help for them to keep them instant at school. The teachers, this MOU, we focus on the education of the school students. For the teachers, we also know that they make a very big effort to help these students the learning at the school. In the future, our association also will consider that to provide some necessary support to the school teachers, like also the standard pads. The women school teachers, they also need this kind of product. I will provide some necessary support in the future. Thank you.
Tuba tweta Busoga Education Initiative. Twatandika ekitongole kino mu 2017 nga tulikuba n'abaana ba Busoga basoma bubi. Twatandika ni baba twamufuula patron, baba waife Kyabazinga. Twataku board, twataku ni mama Kadaga nga advisor. Twatandika ekibiina. Amasomero gatandika okuvaayo bulungi. Aye twagira okubona mu 2024 kayi nga tuyizeeyo tugwirire idala kayi. Mu Uganda yona districts omukaaga eddasinga okulobulidde aba Busoga. Twakanti katuyiremu twefuneko tubone bwe tunakola. So twayeta retooling conference yabaidewo ku Viva College Mwami Juma Kisame ni Mukyala Juma Kisana baikiriza twaleeta ba head teachers bona ab'omu Busoga babaidewo 14 twabasomesa twabatamu emisomo gya new curriculum obuvunaanyizibwa bwaibe bufaanana butya. Ayi bwe twabaye tuli kwogera ino bakayata ekintu ekisinga okubaluma abaana tibali amere bayingira mu bibiina ng'endala eri kubaluma ate ng'essente dibaba wangu edd'omutemu okukola emmere tidimala bulungi. So twakanti tunaakola tutya. So bwe twavaayo mu meeting n'ayogera ne Juma Kisame yankati tugyeko mu bakyayina bano bayinza okutuyamba. Abakyayina oyo omukyayina gwe beeta Derek yambitira mu yena nti yasoma yabonaabona nga akali mutooko odi biki era singa tiyava mu isomero yasomeranga munajja mulinde erimu abasomesa abalungi tiyandifuuse kyali. Namuka nti ffe twena tuyambeko niwe wafuuka kyoli ife mpano n'otukolera ki. Yakoba ati wandika proposal. Nawandika proposal nataamu ebintu bisatu, nataamu scholastic material, nataamu emmere, nataamu ne sanitary pads. Baikiriza nti baidda tuwemere baidda kutuwa ne sanitary pads. Programu edda kuba ya myaka 2 nga tuidda kulonda amasomero 50 buli isomero tulitwalirengayo kiro nga 5 buli taamu okutopinga ku kire government kyebawa. Tusuubira nti abaana abo bananwanga buugi n'abasomesa bona banwa buugi n'abawala twabawa sanitary pads tibaidda kukoba nti ati ffe tutwasomye kuba twabaide mu period kidda kutuyambako. Tuinda kulonda amasomero 50 agalinidde. Tulina agaife aga Busoga Education Initiative gali 22 agalinga nga nagasinga okusemba aina kuduntu gakasemba. Aye tuidda kwongerako n'agandi. Tujje nga tugabira abaana abo obuwunga, tugabira abaana abo sanitary pads, ate tulina obuvunaanyizibwa obw'okujja okubona nti ddala bwe twabawa emmere improvinga oba baana buno buugi. So ku endi ya mwaka tulina okwirayo kubona PLE results difaanana ditya. Kuba abasomesa beegemye ekintu nti abaana baba nga tebaliire bulungi n'olwekyo tebawulira. Aye twagira okukiringirira yakoba nti ayi bano abakyayina bano atuwa buwunga batuwa ne sanitary pads bazira kintu kini kibasobola kutuwa ife tupene twetakulirenga ng'ebakoba ati bakuwa endobo wajja weevubira. So mpeera tulikwenda kuba senda batuwe tractors mu future amasomero aganaaba nga galina eitaka tugawe go gatandike feeding program yago. Tuli basanyufu ino olw'entegeka eno era tuwebaza ino Viva College Mwami Juma Kisame ne Mukyala Kisame okuba nti n'abaatu connectinga ku bantu bano. Era buli June abantu abo batuwa ebintu, batuwa sets, batuwa amakalaamu, batuwa ebitabo, batuwa curriculum, batuwa ne flask edda abasomesa twajanga tugaba. Tweyanza ino kubanga networks nga dino nga bwe mbaboine abandi bakoya tebakola plastic, abandi bakoya tebakola sanitary pads, abandi bakoye nti bakola bintu bya kubanga ni patron waife okuba nti atukumaakuma yatuyizaamu amaani buli lwaba alikwogerera yakati abaana mubatwale basome. So tujja kwongera okukolagana ne Kyabazinga initiative ne Kyabazinga institution okubona nti Busoga teirayo kusemba, Busoga idda kuyirayo nga betwalinga tubenga nife abamu kubasinga mu Uganda. Mwebale ino amaina gange bamudeta Ambassador Agnes Kadama Kalibala ndi mwana Musoga ewaife waira kakumpi awo nikakira banzaala mu Busoga muno.
Ndikwenda kulamusa Abasoga bonna abalituwuliriza abalitubona babayise bantu abalamwisa ino. Olwaleero lwe lunaku lukulu ate lwa byafaayo. Ndikwenda mu ngeri endawulo okwebaza ekitongole kya baba ekya Busoga Education Initiative ngekulemberwa mukyala ambassador Agnes Kalabala bakoze omulimu munene ino okutumbula ebyendegeresa mu Busoga nga bamukidi nti Busoga ebayireize ino enoma mu by'okusoma olw'ebizibu bingi ebibairewo ne challenges kamaala olwaleero tukyaziiza the Chinese Association in Uganda n'omubaka aviiremu embase eya China mu Uganda ekibaleese ni MOU gye basayininze olwaleero wakati wa China Association ne Busoga Education Initiative ekitongole kya baba ekitumbula ebyendegeresa mu Busoga mu MOU eyo ekikula ekibairemu kyakuliisa abaana baife mu isomero nga mukidi bulungi nti omwana baba ali kusoma endala bwe eri kumuluma ezira kyagemya so abachina bano baviireyo tukoze nabo MOU ya myaka 2 ya $2,252 mu myaka 2 $126,000 buli mwaka nga sente edo dakula mu mmere na pads ebyobuyondo abaana baife abobuwala bebakozesa so twebaza ino China Association of Uganda ne Embassy ya China olwa donation iyo yebatukolere ayi mu nsonga de twogereku mu long term tuli kusaba tractors amasomero gaife gafune tractors bene besalira okuba amasomero galina amataka bene balime emmere eyo babenga basobola okweriisa so twebaza ino ekitongole kya Busoga Education Initiative kyala Agnes Kalabala olw'omulimu guno omulungi.